Clinical presentation and management of congenital mesoblastic nephroma, a case report. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Congenital mesoblastic nephroma, CMN, a benign mesenchymal renal tumor, accounts for 2% to 3% of renal tumors in children and is the most prevalent renal tumor in neonates and infants under 6 months of age. It was first described in 1967. Congenital mesoblastic nephroma, CMN, is a mesenchymal renal tumor of early life. With a median diagnosis of 2 months and over 90% of cases occurring within the first year of life, it is the most prevalent non-Wilms renal tumor. Even though imaging can be used as a diagnosing tool, it is frequently identified in the neonatal period when the baby has an abdominal mass. There are 3 different histologic types: mixed, cellular, and classic. Radical nephrectomy is the usual mode of treatment, though adjuvant chemotherapy may be necessary for the cellular type, which may be aggressive. A case of a 2-day-old term male neonate born to a 27-year-old mother through spontaneous vertex delivery, SVD, was reported. He presented with a right-sided abdominal mass from birth. An abdominal ultrasound scan revealed a huge, well-circumscribed heterogeneous soft tissue mass in the right hemiabdomen extending to the left side, measuring 10.2 centimeters by 8.0 centimeters. He underwent a right radical nephrectomy with a tumor weight of 450 g and a size of 18 centimeters times 15 centimeters times 6 centimeters. Histopathological diagnosis was congenital mesoblastic nephroma, cellular type, stage 1. Congenital mesoblastic nephroma, Wilms tumor, and considerably less common lesions such as a malignant rhabdoid tumor, clear cell sarcoma of the kidney, CCSK, and ossifying renal tumor of infancy are among the differential diagnoses for solid renal tumors. Any infant with a renal tumor should be evaluated for congenital mesoblastic nephroma. Since it can be identified early in pregnancy, it is advisable to promote fetal anomaly screening using ultrasound to prevent late presentation. CMN is usually benign. Patients must undergo routine monitoring for any possible paraneoplastic syndromes. Proper follow-up is necessary in the first few years of life because certain forms of mesoblastic nephromas can potentially develop into malignancies. Detailed investigation and complete resection are fundamental for ensuring an excellent outcome. Introduction. Kidney tumors in newborns are rare, but when they do occur, the most common type is called congenital mesoblastic nephroma, CMN. CMN is a non-cancerous tumor that mostly affects babies under 6 months old. There are 3 types of CMN: classic, cellular, and mixed. The classic type is usually not dangerous and has a good outcome. The cellular type, however, can behave more like cancer. It grows faster, may come back after treatment, and can spread to other parts of the body. The mixed type includes features of both. Doctors can tell the difference by looking at the tumor cells under a microscope. The best treatment for all types of CMN is surgery to remove the tumor and the affected kidney. If the tumor is fully removed, especially in the classic type, most children recover well. Early diagnosis and complete surgical removal are key to successful treatment. Conclusion. In infants, CMN is the most prevalent type of renal tumor and is often benign. Since it can be identified early in pregnancy, it is advisable to promote fetal anomaly screening using ultrasound to prevent late presentation. Alina et al., 2024. While CMN is usually benign, patients must undergo routine monitoring for any possible paraneoplastic syndromes. Proper follow-up is necessary in the first few years of life, as certain forms of mesoblastic nephromas can potentially develop into malignancies. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.